Hello friends, this question is number of islands, the lead code 30-day challenge question, and it appeared on 17 April. So in this there is a given 2D grid map of ones and zeros. In this, one is called as land and zero is called as water. Count the number of islands. An island is surrounded by water and is formed by connecting adjacent lands horizontally or vertically. You may assume all four edges of the grid are all surrounded by water. So if you see this example, so it is surrounded by 0, over here 0, over here 0, over here 0. So you can consider this as only one area which is connected vertically or horizontally to each other, like this. So we can consider there is only one island which is surrounded by water. So in this example there are like 3 islands which are surrounded by water, like this 1 1 1 1, which is surrounded by 0 0 and 0 0. This one is surrounded by 0 0 0 0. This 1 1 is also surrounded by 0 0 and 0 0. So these are 3 islands. So how to deal with this? So in order to solve this, we'll be using breadth first search. So no, sorry, we will be using depth first search initially. So we can solve this by breadth first search as well as depth first search. How we'll be performing is like, we'll just consider one variable. It's like in this example, suppose we are working with we'll consider this 1. If this is 1, then we'll check whether the horizontal value, vertical values, downwards, lefts, up, right and downwards are 1. If it is 1, we'll check again for the nearby values. If it comes 1, we'll be changing it to 0, so that in next iteration our program will not consider that island. So let's see how we have implemented it. So I have initialized count equal to 0 and I have used 2 for loops which are iterating all the elements of grid. Because grid is 2-dimensional array, so we are iterating from 0 to grid.length plus plus, 0 to grid I of length j plus plus. Okay, so we are checking if grid of ij is equal to 1, then we will be applying DFS on it. DFS, apply DFS, we added a call apply DFS. In that we passed grid and the value of ij. So in this we can say like, now if the value is 1, then it will check whether it is I is greater than or equal to 0. Yes it is. J is greater than or equal to 0. Yes. I is less than grid of dot length. Yes. J less than grid of 0 dot length, and grid of ij is equal to 1. So we'll be changing it to 0 and we will again call DFS for the left side value. Sorry, this is right side value, this is left one, this is upside and it is downside. So we will be calling 4 times for the left, right, upside, downside. Okay, and we'll be iterating this again and again. If it comes 1, we'll be making it 0 and we will be calling this, so that all the connected ones will become 0 and it will be called as only one island. So we'll be executing this algorithm on this question. So initially 1 came, then what we done, we marked 0, it as a 0. We called right side, downside, left side, upside. Left side and upside will not get called because the value will be become less than 0, because over here ij it is a 0 0. So we will be calling 0 1, which is this, 1 0 this, and the left side and upside, which will be, we will be like 0 minus 0 minus 1, which will be over here, and this will be not called because we have added these conditions: I is greater than 0 and j is greater than or equal to 0, so it will not come inside. So where it will go is right side and downside, 1 and 1. So in this it will make it 0 and it will also make it 0. It will check for the all side, right, downside, upside if present, and left side. If it is present, it will make 0 and it will call for DFS. And in this way all the connecting ones will become one island only. So over here also, suppose in this first one will be converted to 0, then this one will be converted to 0, then this one and this one. So 0 0 0 0, and this will become one island. Again over here, one is not connected to, no side of one is like connect, no adjacent node is one of this one, so it will not get iterated and it will become 0, and this will be counted as a one island. So in this there will be 3 islands. Let's submit this solution and see whether it is getting accepted or not. Yes, it is getting accepted. Thanks for watching.